We're going to look at how we can incorporate lists into our website using HTML. So we've already got a basic web page set up here. This is going to be a web page about Wales, and we're going to now add some lists to this. So there are now two types of lists we can have. We can have an unordered list, which is just a straightforward list of points, or we can have an ordered list where they're numbered. So let's start with an unordered list. So this is going to be a list of just towns and cities in Wales. So I'm just putting a heading in here, so H2 there, slightly smaller heading than the H1 here that we have at the top here for Wales. So towns and cities, and then we start with a opening tag of UL. So UL stands for unordered list, and then we'll have the corresponding closing tag here. And then we can put our list items in. So again, we need a tag for each of those. So LI stands for list item, and we're going to write some towns and cities in Wales. We've got that's, and then again we need a closing tag there. So that's one city. So we've got Carmarthen, we've got Swansea, and one more in. And we've got Cardiff here. So we've got now our more or less our unordered list. And we're going to save this now. So we just do Control S again, that's saved. And if we now just click on the refresh button, so this is quite a good setup. If you have your text editor on one side, you have your browser right next to it, then you can make your changes in your browser, make sure you save them, and every time you save them, then you can click on refresh on the browser, and then you can see the changes that have been made there. So that's our unordered list. Now to do an ordered list, the structure is very similar, except that instead of using UL, we use OL for ordered list. So we're going to now do a different list on famous Welsh personalities. So that's our heading there, and then we're going to use OL for ordered list. Again, find the corresponding, write down the corresponding closing tag, which OL, and then again we just put the list item there. So list item, so we've got that, Ivor the Engine, we've got Fireman Sam, and we've got okay, so we've got those characters there, and we can see now again when we save this and we refresh this, so we now have our ordered list there, and you can see that that's numbers there, 1, 2, 3, and we have bullet points for our unordered list. That's the distinction between those two types of lists.